What if I told you your 9 to 5 job could be replaced, not by a person, but by AI? And what if I told you you could be the one replacing others and making money from it? Sounds crazy? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the truth no one's telling you about how AI is shaking up jobs and how you can get ahead of it. Welcome to Digital Dollar, your weekly hub for AI tools, online income hacks, and the future of freelancing. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a money-making opportunity. If you want an amazing video like this for yourself, contact on the WhatsApp number below. Need a high-quality video like this? Then send your idea on WhatsApp now. Need a professional video for your content? Message on WhatsApp and let's get started. Part 1. Why jobs are at risk. AI isn't just some hype anymore. It's real, it's fast, and it's evolving every single week. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude are already replacing writers, designers, customer service agents, even coders. According to Goldman Sachs, 300 million jobs are at risk of automation in the next decade. But here's the twist. Part 2. AI isn't taking jobs. People who use AI are. Let's get one thing straight. AI is not your enemy. The real threat is not learning how to use it. Because while companies are cutting jobs, freelancers are using the exact same tools to build 6-figure incomes from home. Imagine this. A graphic designer uses Midjourney to create 10 book covers in 2 hours. A content writer uses Jenny.ai to generate optimized blogs in minutes. A video editor uses Pictory.ai to pump out faceless YouTube videos daily and monetizes them without ever showing their face. This isn't theory, this is already happening. Part 3. How you can use AI to replace your job or someone else's. Here's how you can get started today. 1. Pick a skill to automate. Are you into writing, design, voiceovers, video editing, social media, or SEO? There's an AI tool for each. 2. Offer a service, not just a tool. Don't just say I use ChatGPT. Package it. Offer AI-powered blog creation with SEO optimization, or faceless YouTube video packages with voiceover and music. 3. Target people still doing things manually. Small businesses, content creators, bloggers, they still need help. You're not selling AI, you're selling time, speed, and results. So the big question, can AI really replace your job? Yes, but only if you let it. Or you can flip the script, learn the tools, and use AI to create your own income, your own business, your own freedom. Want me to show you exactly how to do it, step by step? Type "show me how" in the comments and I'll make a full tutorial for free. This is just the beginning. Next video, I'm sharing 7 brand new AI tools that barely anyone's using, but are already making freelancers thousands. Make sure you're subscribed, and until then, use AI, don't fear it.